There's one. Oh, Eric's on. Hey, good morning everybody, back out here at it. Virtual heat wave here in Pennsylvania for February. It's 47 degrees here this morning at just before 7 o'clock. So I know my mom and dad down in Florida, 45 is crazy, but up here 45 in February feels pretty good. So don't even have an outer jacket on. It's supposed to get up to like 53, 55 today. It was 62 yesterday. Unfortunately, I had to work, wasn't able to get out and fish, but plan is we're gonna hop a couple of spots. I only have about 2 hours to fish. Let's see if we can put any fish on the bank. Stick with me. That is a rock.
Dude, I sent a really nice rock yesterday.
Yeah.
I was so excited. I was like, oh!
Hook sets are free, baby. Hook sets are free. There's one. Feels like a pretty decent fish too. It's okay. It's a walleye. Nice eater size walleye. Definitely a gorgeous fish. There's teeth, sure. All right, new species for the year. Haven't caught one of these in 2022. Thank you, buddy. He probably would have been just legal size if we were keeping walleye. All right, guys, we made a quick location change. We weren't doing so hot down there at the first spot, so came back up here where Eric caught that big walleye in the last video to see what we can find hanging out. Water's drastically lower, a lot clearer.
Oh, he dumped it.
Oh, Eric's on.
Oh, he dumped it, dude. Dumped it.
Eric's on something good.
Get out of that log. Get out of that log. Smallie. No, it's a largemouth. He dumped it.
Yeah, nice. All right, guys, that's it for today. Just that one walleye, 2 smallies and a largemouth for Eric. He's still fishing. He had some time. I got to get home, but got to take advantage of a day like this. It's 50 degrees in February. I love it. It's going to get a little warmer today. Next time you see me, I'm probably going to be all bundled back up, but that's okay. It's Pennsylvania in February. If you don't like the weather, just wait 5 minutes. It'll change. If you like following along with me today, give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment. Got some really cool things that I'm working on. Gonna add some more things to the channel for especially the scenic aspect of the videos, which I know my mom likes, so mom, stay tuned. That stuff's gonna be coming. I'm gonna work that in. Subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. Try to do it every week. We'll see you on the next one.